this video here is homework 19 and is asking us to find the mean, median, mode and range. Okay, so we're going to find all of those, mean, median, mode and range for the two sets of numbers that I've given you here. So the first one is 7, the first set of numbers is 7, 10, 11, 11 and 6. And now the mean, to work out the mean, you add up all the numbers and then divide by however many numbers they are. So if I add them all up, I've got 7 add 10, I'll write it down. 7 add 10, which is 17, plus 11, which is 28, plus 11, which is 39, plus 6, which is 45. And then I'm going to have to divide that number by however many numbers there are. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So we're going to have 45 divided by 5, which is 9. So the mean is 9. The average number is 9. The mean number is 9. So with the median now, we have to put all the numbers in order from smallest to biggest, and then we find the middle number. So I'm going to put them all in order of size first. It's going to be 6, then the next number is 7, then 10, and then 11 twice. So the median has to be the middle number in the sequence once they're all in order. So it's not going to be the outside numbers, obviously, and it's not going to be these outside numbers. So it's going to be the middle number that's left over, which is 10. So the median is 10. Because there are 5 numbers in total, the middle number is going to be the third number. Mode is the most. Okay, so that's the most common. So from the sequence that we've got here, 7, 10, 11, 11, 6, the mode is the number that comes up the most. And 11 comes up twice, so the mode is 11. And then the range is the difference between, which is the difference between the biggest number and the smallest number. So the biggest number is 11 and the smallest number is 6. So the difference between is subtracting the smallest number away from the biggest number, which is 5. We'll do question B now. And we've got 20 plus 20, 13, 13, 11, 13, 17, 11 and 6. So the mean, once again, is all of them added up and divided by however many there are. So we're going to have 20 plus 13, which is 33, plus 13, which is 46, plus 11, which is 57, plus 13, which is 70, plus 17, which is 87, plus 11, which is 98, plus 6, which is 104. It's a really difficult sum, actually. So then we take that number, 104, and we divide by however many numbers there are. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So we have to divide by 8. So 104 divided by 8 is 13. So the mean is going to be 13. And now for the median. The median is to put them all in order of size, from smallest to biggest. And we're going to work out the middle number. We're going to find the middle number. So the smallest number is going to be 6. Then 11 twice. Then 13 3 times. Then 17. And then 20. So there are 8 numbers in total, and we want the middle number. Well, if we cancel them out like before, the outside ones, we're going to be left with the fourth and fifth number is going to be these two numbers, 13 and 13. So the median of these two numbers, to work them out, is you add them together and then you half it. So you're going to do 13 plus 13, which is going to be 26, and then we take 26 and we half it. It's quite obvious this is going to be 13, because we're trying to find the middle number between 13 and 13, which is obviously just 13. So the median is actually 13, same as the mean. Now the mode, if you can remember from earlier in the video, is the most. So we look at the sequence and we look at which number comes up the most. 11 comes up twice, but 13 comes up 3 times. So 13 is the most common, meaning 13 is the mode. And then finally, the range is the difference between the biggest number and the smallest number. So the biggest number we know is 20, and the smallest number we know is 6. So the difference between these two is 20 take away 6, which is 14. So the range is 14.